Hi, welcome back. Myself KK Singh, uh, and I am a GG leader Agra, and I am Google certified trainer and innovator as well. So, in my last video, I discussed about the HLOOKUP and differentiate between HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. So, if you look into VLOOKUP, we usually search the key in the particular column, and index lies on the specific column. So we get the data through the column. And contrary to it, HLOOKUP looks into the rows, and and the index which we want, it is in the shape of the row only. Similarly, HLOOKUP looks into the first row of the data sheet. So in my last video, I discussed how to find out the total number of books of the particular title using HLOOKUP. So move to our Google Sheet. So here there was the topic or the title: artificial intelligence, computer science, maths, computer application. So there are a number of books. Softback books are 463 for artificial intelligence, 240 for hardback. Similarly for computer science, maths, and computer applications. And over here, I want to know how many books are there for the particular title. So over here, I mentioned computer science, so I wanted to know how many books lies in the library for computer science, or the cell B7. So whichever value is in B7, the corresponding total number of books will be reflected in B8. So this, if I want to know about computer science, then I have to write computer science here. And if I want to know how many books are there in the library for the title artificial intelligence, then I'll have to type artificial intelligence. So and related to this, we have to, or I have to apply HLOOKUP. So here I'm going to apply HLOOKUP once again, so that you might revise this, or you should have the idea that what should be in HLOOKUP. So HLOOKUP. So what is the search key? So my search key is in the row B7, and this is what I want to search. And what is the range? So my range is this. Sorry. My range is this, and which index I want to take as the output. So my index for the output is row number 4, because total number of books are available on row number 4. So this would be my index. And for the exact match, I'll have to give 0 here. So I give 0 and press close the parenthesis and press enter. So I'll get 1240 here. So if I want to know how many books are there for mathematics, so I'll type maths and press enter. So it will give 885. So writing again and again for the title, it looks cumbersome, and this could not be validated every time. So to validate this every time, we'll use a drop down list. So how to create that drop down list? We can create the drop down list using data validation, or simply click right on this cell, and if you go down, you'll get drop down list. And over here you can give the names: maths, then say artificial intelligence, computer science, computer application. So these are my topics, and this way I have created a drop down. When I create the drop down, I am free to check whether I am typing the correct title or not, since we are taking the data from the drop down. So if I click here on artificial intelligence, it will give me 703. If I click on computer science, it will give 1240. Similarly, if I click on computer application, it will give me 1220 value. So this way we can say HLOOKUP with data validation or HLOOKUP with drop down list. So hope you got the point of using HLOOKUP, and if you got the idea of how to use HLOOKUP and along with drop down list, so you must use this in your day-to-day task. And if you liked my videos, kindly share and subscribe, and drop a comment in description box. I'll be motivated with your description box or description or you can say the comment.